Hello and welcome to my channel. So to start this Halloween tutorial, I've painted my whole face, my ears, into my hairline and all down my neck with a Snazaroo black face paint. Then to start mapping out the skull, I used a white Snazaroo face paint and a really thin detailed brush, and I start drawing out the jawline and the eye sockets, and then eventually I get on to drawing the nose. Next I start drawing the teeth, and again I'm using a white face paint and a small detailed brush. I start with the top jaw and then I do the bottom. Now I'm using the Snazaroo face paint in Sky Blue, and I start to fill in the skull with large brush strokes. Then I mix that sky blue shade with the white face paint to make much more of a lighter blue, and do the same thing, start to create some big brush strokes all over the skull. Now I've done that, I do the same thing but with the white face paint, so I'm creating some more brush strokes to give more texture and highlights and shadows. Then if I think there's any areas where there's not much of the black peeping through, I get some of the black face paint onto a detailed brush and start to paint some brush strokes in black as well. Now I'm repeating the same step that I've been doing so far, but I changed to the colour lime green, and this is also a Snazaroo face paint. Now I'm creating some collarbones and a spine. I'm doing this using the same techniques that I did with the face. So I already had a black base, and then I start with the white face paint and do really chunky brush strokes, and then I go in with the same colours I did on the face after. Then to complete this look, I put a black scarf around my head, and then I put on a black blazer that covers the rest of my body apart from the bit on the chest that I had painted. I really hope you like this look because it is such a simple yet really effective look. You can be really messy with it, you can do it so quickly and really simple, but it is a really cool costume. So if you like this video, please let me know by pressing the like button down below. Also, if you don't want to miss any more Halloween tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. On my Instagram I'm doing the 31 days of Halloween challenge, so if you want to see some more Halloween inspiration, make sure you're following me on there. It will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!